He's a pretty rooster. Really pretty rooster. Hello folks. So today I'm going to give you a little bit of a tutorial on the proper way to clip chicken wings in order to keep them from flying. A key thing to sort of remember when you're clipping wings is you really only need to do one side. You don't have to do both sides. If you do both sides, technically they could still sort of fly. By doing one side, it keeps them from flying too high and it sort of makes them a little bit off kilter. So we want to make sure that we're only just going to clip one side, and in this case I'm probably just going to try to cut the right side of every one of them. That way, since I'm doing all of them, I know exactly what side I've done for each chicken. So make sure you got yourself a good pair of scissors, nice and sharp, that way you're not having to gnaw on the wing with the set of clippers. As you're looking at the clippers, we got Ribeye behind us staring at us. He's sitting there wondering what's going on, I guess. But as you're looking at these, and you take a look at these feathers back here are what you call their warming feathers. These feathers up here are what you call their flight feathers. You don't want to clip their warming feathers because obviously that's what keeps them warm in the winter time, which we're about to get to. And on the flight feathers, you want to do your best to make sure when you clip, you're clipping below this spot here, because this is sort of like that bloodline. So we're just going to come directly across here and clip these flight feathers. And like I said, we're only going to do it on the one side. That way, when they try to fly, it sort of throws them off balance, and they can't really get up and go. So one side. So.
That's a very sweet rooster too.
He is a very sweet rooster. Ain't no doubt he's pretty as I don't know what too. All right, buddy. So here we go. We're just gonna go just like this. It doesn't hurt him, just so we're on the same page. It scares him a little bit because he doesn't know what's going on, but it doesn't hurt him. So as you can see, feathers here. I'm not hurting you. It's okay, buddy. So they're scared, obviously, because it's not what they're used to. But as you can see here, it doesn't hurt them. You just come. It's just like clipping toenails. You just come straight across here. And like I said, these are warming feathers, so you don't want to mess with his warming feathers. And these are the flight feathers, and that's what you're looking to try to cut. So simple as that. So I'll get another one, and we'll do that. And I'm gonna take him, and I'm gonna put him up over here. Yes, I'm just gonna set up post inside the little run area that we just recently created, and see how many I can get. All right, Ribeye, back up, buddy. You gotta back up. Now let's just hope he don't attack me.
Well, I don't know about that.
It's a big old rooster. Look at the crop on that thing. He has eaten
all the seed. He's eaten all of our ryegrass.
Just so everybody knows, one of the main reasons I decided to go ahead and start trying to get these wings clipped is because I put out a whole bunch of ryegrass seed, and because it is raining the past couple days, and they decided to eat all my dadgum seed. So here we are, trying to right that mistake. Should have done it before I put the seed out. And yes, Kristen was right. She said I should. So here we are, backtracking. All right, come on down. So, at least they're nice roosters. If they were mean, that would be not so great for me. Yeah, they're nice for now. Okay. All right, so calm down, calm down. Alright, so once again, proper. You want to make sure that you do not cut the feathers on the back side, because those are the warming feathers. You only want to cut the flight feathers, and I'm cutting, and you only cut one side. And I'm actually cutting the left side, not the right side, as earlier I mentioned it. So
His leg is out.
it's okay. So here we go. I'm sorry, buddy, but it doesn't hurt them. It's just more, they're just more scared than anything.
That is a big boy, isn't it?
He is a big rooster. All right, buddy, you're home free. Have at it. Thank you for being so cooperative. Next, what I really need to do is I need to put up a roost bar here, and then let them roost, and then come in here at nighttime and just grab them right up off the roost. Is really what I need to do. Okay, I'm not a giver-upper, but I think I'm going to give up until the evening time, or until they start to go to roost, and then just get them tonight. And then we'll just come back with a second video showing the smarter way to get it done. Great time of day. This was round 2. We decided to come out during the nighttime to take care of clipping the rest of the wings while they were roosting. Made a little bit more sense. They're not quite as skittish. You don't have to chase them all around. They're pretty much stuck on their roost. You pick them up, you clip their wings, and then you put them back down. Of course, there's a little bit of squealing and hollering and stuff like that, just because they're still not necessarily happy about you picking them up, but nevertheless.